This video will demonstrate how to count for qualitative data or categorical data, the numbers of data variable values. So here I have a data set, and I'm going to put the data set into R. So first off, let me tell you about R. This is actually RStudio. RStudio has a console down here. This is where you type in most of the commands you want to have done. It has a place up here where you can look at your data. So there's data actually up here. My console has a lot of things in it because I've been working on it. Yours won't necessarily, so yours might be totally empty. But I do have some data in there right now, and you can see all the data in there. Over here is an environment thing. This allows you to see all the different variables you have read into RStudio. This list is your list of packages that you need to have for RStudio to work. There's certain packages that you want to have make sure are activated. You just activate them by or installing them by clicking on the little click button there. So GG formula now is installed, and there's a whole bunch of them. And over the semester, I'll tell you which ones you need. But mostly you need the mosaic, the GG formula, the GG plot, the GG stance. Madrigal is nice. Mosaic is good. Mosaic core is good. Mosaic data is wonderful. NHAZE is a data set that you might want to use. And then some other ones that you could turn on and off. And then some other ones that we're going to use later in the semester are this ARM. And you might also want IME4. You might want some other ones. As we go, we'll talk about them as you need them. You'll have them turned on. Another one would be stats that should be turned on. And another one is Google Sheets, because this allows you to read in your Google Sheets if you want to. So we're going to go ahead and put a data set in here. So the easiest way to put data sets in is to copy the URL from a file. So I happen to have, I'm going to call it fav color for favorite color. I'm going to read in a CSV file, and my URL that's a GitHub account is right here that you can use to bring that file in. So if you hit enter, that will load that file in, and then fav color is right here. And as you can see, you have the colors in the first column. The rest of the columns have nothing in them because in this data set it's just one column of data, but other data sets will have other columns of data in them. What I'd like to do is I'd like to find out how many people are actually like the certain colors. So I want to kind of get a frequency distribution of, or frequency table of the different colors that they like. So what I would like to do is the first thing I'm going to type in is the name of the data set, which was fav color. As you can see, R automatically kind of starts typing it in for you. If you hit tab, it'll just finish typing it in for you. And then this symbol here of a percent sign, a greater than sign, and a percent sign is a command that tells RStudio, hey, you're going to use this in the next command. So we're going to hit enter, and you notice it puts a little plus sign, and what that means is it's continuing this line to the next one. And this is kind of like a piping thing. It actually says use this in the next line. And then what you want to do is you want to count, and we want to count the color. So the variable color is what we want to count. And notice it puts a lot of different choices here because it has a lot of things that does color. You just want to click somewhere so it goes away, and then just hit enter, and there it will count it for us. So you can see here are the different colors, and here are the number of people who like that color. So as you can see, blue is liked by 8 people, green by 6, orange by 1, other by 2, purple by 3, red by 3, and yellow by 4. And you don't have to actually physically go count them. And that's it for how to actually create a count of that.